All right. So 24 says E lies on plane R. Okay? E lies on plane R. Is that true? That the E is purple? Yes. True. Okay? 25. CD lies on F. Is that true? CD is that F, which is orange. Is CD orange? Yes. Okay, that's true. Alan, C, E, and D are coplanar. Is that true? C, E, and D. C, E, and D are coplanar. Now remember, coplanar means they exist on the same plane. So do C, E, and D all exist on the same plane?
Yes.
Why?
Because they're on the same one.
Huh?
Because they're on the same one.
No. They don't exist on R, and they don't exist on F. Okay? But you are half right, Alan. Okay? You are half right. How could C... Guys, focus. How could C, E, and D be on the same plane?
Because they're connected.
Because C and E are on a line, right?
Yeah.
And like we said, we proved earlier in the year, any 2 points on the line, there is a plane that exists that goes through that line. It just might not be a plane that exists up here. I could make a plane that goes through those points. See what I'm saying? That plane does not exist out of these 2 planes, but that plane does exist. So that's why I don't like when they do 3 points. It's not smart, because you need 4 points. Okay, so you can always be smarter than the test, and this is where you could explain your answer on the state test and still be right, even though you're wrong. Okay? Yeah. That's why they have you explain your answer. Okay? Because that is absolutely correct if you explain it right. Okay? Because any plane can run through a line and any point off of the line. That's part of being a plane. Is that it's made up of a line that's on the plane, right? And any point off of the line can be on one plane of existence. It's like this. Here's a line, right? Pretend that's on the line, right? And then I can go like this, a point off the line. They're all on this plane, aren't they? And that's exactly what's happening right there. Okay? They just aren't on plane R or plane F. So they are not on. So they are coplanar. Yes. Coplanar, but not with F or R.
Oh,
See what I'm saying?
shoot. Are we supposed to make spacing in between the questions?
It's up to you. Huh?
Are we supposed to make spaces in between the questions?
In between, it's up to you. I mean, how much, this is your homework. You got to be able to read it so that you know it for the test. Okay? All right, 27. Is F, the plane F, does it contain ED? So the ray ED, see how that reads? That's a ray. See how that's a line? Because it has 2 arrows? This is a ray because it has 1 arrow. The ray ED. So where is the ray ED?
On the line.
Think about it. The ray ED is on this plane, that brown one that I just created. It goes like this. It's not on either plane, is it?
No.
The ray ED, because E is on the R plane, and D is on the orange, or the F plane, right? So the ray ED doesn't exist on either of those planes. It exists on that make-believe plane we made up here. Right? So the answer here is no. No, the plane F does not contain the ray ED. No. Okay? Alan, B and E are collinear. Is that true? B and E are collinear. Well, where is B? I don't even. Where's B?
You didn't draw it?
I didn't draw it. Well, that sucks. Where is it? Oh, there you go. We kind of need that. We need to know where B is first, right? Here's B. So B and E are collinear. Is that true?
They didn't put
They didn't put
a line through it?
a line through it, but of course it's true. Just like this is true. Any 2 points make a line, right? It just doesn't have a line created, right? So we got to make our own line, B through E, right? But they are collinear, yes. Any 2 points are collinear. They just might not exist. So they do not, they are not in plane R or plane F. Okay? They are not in plane R or plane F. That's all. Alright. B, C. That's a ray. Or no, sorry, that's a line. 2 arrows, right? Is that contained in both F and R, in both planes? Is that line contained in both F and R? Is this line in both of them? Is it both orange and purple? Yeah, because it's where they intersect, right? That's the intersection of the 2 planes. So yes, that is the intersection. BC intersects. So, sorry. F intersects R at BC. Okay? And look at what we're saying. We are saying a lot with symbols. We're saying that the plane F intersects the plane R at the line BC. That's a freaking lot, we just said, with six letters. 6 symbols. That's it. 6 symbols. Okay? That would have taken up 2 lines to write that. Yet I wrote it in a small little area. This is why it becomes very important to know symbols. Why did I make the funky F? Why did I make the funky R? Because that's capitalized funky Fs and funky letters, right? The italicized letters. Funky italicized capital letters are the example of a plane. Capital basic letters like B and E are examples of points. Okay? And then we have our other symbols. Not, or, and. These are all really good things to take hold of. So, another word for contains would be such that. BC such that F and R. Right?
Yeah.
Or I should actually say F and R contains BC. Right? It would be better. And you can use such that. Oh, that's whereas. Sorry about that. Another one that they use for such that is this. It goes either way. This is a lot more common. Okay? And then, boom. That's a mathematical statement. Okay? And then we don't have to use words. That's what this chapter is all about. Changing our words into symbols, just like second grade. Changing 1 into the number 1. Changing 3 into the number 3.